If you want to learn to shave a bald head without doing this, then keep watching. And no, it's not real. You'll need a mannequin, razor holder and razor blades, towels, and shaving cream. To make the shaving process easier, shave down the hair with a trimmer first. Less hair allows the razor blade to glide with less resistance. Next, clean the scalp to remove all loose hair. A clean canvas is the best canvas to work on. You have to soften the skin and hair before shaving, so apply a hot towel around the head, wrap and tuck the towel in the front, and firmly press down on the scalp with the palms of your hands and fingertips for maximum steam absorption. And wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Choose a razor holder that has a nice weight and feel to you. There are hundreds of options. Apply shaving cream or gel. You can use foam or clear gel, whatever floats your boat. Practice without a blade in the cartridge first. Get the muscle memory down pat and get comfortable with the razor holder in your hand before you use a blade. For this example, we're shaving with the grain, which means the direction that the hair naturally grows. Start every stroke from the crown of the head. Place the blade at about a 30 to 45 degree angle and take your time. You shouldn't feel any tugging, and work from one side of the head to the other. Now it's time to load the cartridge with the blade and continue practicing. You'll be able to feel the blade angle on the mannequin head, and the feedback will let you know if you're about to cut hair or skin. If you accidentally cut someone, I've made another video that you can check out about what to do. I'll link it below. This is styptic powder, and it causes blood to clot and prevent further bleeding. After you finish the shave, apply an aftershave or astringent to tighten the skin, which will prevent irritation.